I'm Tony Amaradio. My goal is to provide information to help you in the areas of philanthropy and stewardship. One of the excellent options that are available in the charitable plan section of the code is called a Charitable Remainder Unity Trust, commonly abbreviated a CRT. This is where, for example, a couple can form a CRT. They can place a highly appreciated asset in the CRT, get a significant tax deduction on the front end, up to 30%, and then at the same time, they can eliminate the capital gains taxes once that asset is sold. So whether it's stocks or real estate, they can completely eliminate the capital gain tax, not defer it. That charitable trust must give them a stream of income for the rest of their life or for a certain period of time. Let's take, for example, 5%. So the asset prior was probably not generating much more than a 5% income stream, in many cases lower. So it could be a way for the person to even increase their income stream. Then what happens at the end of the second death, the remainder of that asset must go to charities. It also has another advantage: it bypasses the estate tax. So you get three specific tax benefits in a charitable remainder trust. You get a deduction on the front end. You can eliminate any capital gains taxes once the asset is sold within the charitable trust. Then you can completely eliminate it as an asset within your estate to avoid the estate tax. Feel free to share this video and keep learning how to be faithful with your finances.